VOD people, YouTube watchers, I see you. Okay. You're out there watching, waiting for your chance to be awake when I'm also streaming. Let's see. Twitch.tv/Swalker. Okay. All right. What are we going to do? Redacted on top. What's up? You're early. You're super. I haven't even started. We haven't even started yet. We've been streaming for 40 seconds. Oh my goodness. I love the enthusiasm though. I love the enthusiasm. All right, so we're continuing. We're continuing from yesterday and the day before. Okay, we're doing projects. This time, I'm just gonna copy and paste. That's what I'm gonna do. We're not gonna. Oh, should we talk about CrowdStrike? I'm just kidding. I don't care. All right. Copy pasting on top. Oh heck yeah. We're definitely gonna copy and paste. What did I call this? I think I called it Yeet Draw. That's what I called it, which is like the worst name. All right, so we're just gonna copy and paste this bad boy. Copy that raw file. That's what I'm talking about. Come over here, give it the old source. We're not wasting any time. Okay, I don't waste time on this stream. I use an OSU KB, but I remap the keys to Control C and Control V. That's how you do it. Okay, that's how you do it. B2. B2, if you don't know, wow, this is a lot. You know what? I'm glad I copy and pasted this because this is a lot. Look at all this debug stuff too. We'll just leave that in there. We'll leave that in there. What did I change? What did I change? What did I do? What did I change? What did I do? Did I do something? Can I zoom out? Oh, tear in reality. There we go. What did I do? You tell me. Redacted, you tell me what I did. It seems like the code has changed. The code has changed. I copy and pasted. All right, so let's see here. We've got to use. Whoa, first we have to mod, right? Then we come over here, B2, right? Good. And then what is the main B2 thing? Also, I've somehow, I need a lot of stuff. Oh, I need more than just this. Uh-oh. I need a lib apparently. I need this too. Base 60. I have my own base 64 code. Okay, we're gonna copy this too. We're gonna go over here. Let's go over here. Oh, source. Don't worry about that. You know, it took 4 hours to code it. Wait. It took 4 hours to code. It seems either way, my blog has some cool stuff. Okay. And why are you implementing base 64? Just use a crate? No crates. No crates in here, okay? Look, if you've ever seen this stream before, you know that it's gonna be no crates. When I can, I don't use crates. This is actually this is a pretty bad implementation. Tell you the truth. I re-implemented SHA-1 too. There you go. Drive clone. Heck yeah. What's up, Astro? Oh, Shreyas, what's up? Mr. Minimalist. Look, it keeps the compile times down. Okay? It keeps the compile times down. So we don't need this though. Env is a lot here. Ooh, I do need this though. I do need this. I did a lot with the environment. I don't know why I was wasting my time with this. Why was I wasting my time? Oh, I got to add these keys, but I don't want to show you. So I have to turn the screen off. Okay, I got to turn the screen off for a second. Re-implement Tokyo with the same efficiency. Yeah. I'm going to turn the screen off for a second. Okay, there we go. Because you know what? I don't want to leak keys. You know what I mean? Yesterday, I had to rotate my key twice. So, and performance. I honestly, look, if I might one day find the time to make my own async executor for Rust. And the way I would do it is more like mono IO. Then it's more like mono IO and less like Tokyo, because I think thread locals just better for me personally. So yeah, I should get that redacted plugin thing for this. Oh, I don't have any caffeine. I'll give you your points back. I don't have any caffeine. I knew I forgot something. Don't worry. I'll give you your points back in a second. So you don't waste them, you know. All right, we're almost done with the keys here. I gotta log into Backblaze. Oh, I can show the screen again, probably, right? What is ooh ooh? What is that? Give me my points. Yeah, look, we'll do points. We'll do points first before. What do I do? Is it viewer rewards? Is that what we're doing? Is it rewards? No, power ups and channel points. Manage. There's a screen. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Can we just reject all? We'll just give everyone their points back, right? Because I don't feel like going through here. We'll just reject all and refund. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Everyone gets their points back. Perfect. My Emble was multi-threaded. Tokyo is multi-threaded. Tokyo is multi-threaded. That's what I'm saying. I don't want it to be multi. I want it to be thread local. It could be multi-threaded, just thread local, right? It's hard because of the pinning of the futures. Oh, geez, I just showed my key. Dang it, freaking A. We're going over to replicate. We're going over to replicate. we're going to replicate before you guys start sending a bunch of HTTP. I got a max limit of $10 on here. Let's go over to replicate dashboard. API tokens. Okay, create token. We'll do another one. Default with 3 exclamation points. There you go. All right, create token. Okay, copy token. Unbelievable. Oh, I gotta disable the other token too. Disable that token. There you go. Done. All right, so I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna turn the screen off. It's already disabled. You can't even do anything. You got nothing. Okay, you have nothing. All right, we'll paste this in here. All right, and then we'll leave. I'm gonna leave the screen off I'm gonna sign into Backblaze here, and we'll leave the screen off because there is some personally identifiable information. A little PII, you know? A little PII sometimes. English or Spanish? No habla español. Okay? No, I don't know how to say it. What are we gonna do with it? Look, you can send some requests to replicate, and my credit card's actually hooked up to that one. So that one actually could cost me some money if you hate me, you know. That's not good. All right, we gotta get the passwords in here. Hang on, I'll turn the screen on in a second. Okay, we'll turn it on in a second. Okay, man, what is this music? I gotta find better music. Here, let's since I'm not streaming, let's just not do copyright. Let's just listen to some Connor Price for a second. Cause I'm really into Connor Price recently. So we'll listen to this. A little hip hop in the morning, you know? It's Connor Price. Static by Steve Lacy. Do I like that? It's copyright free. Oh, we're not doing copyright free. We're doing copyrighted. There you go. Oh my gosh, two-factor. Let me see. Why are you laughing? What is this, like a Rickroll or something? By the way. Let's see, 166. Oh my gosh. Trust this browser. Yes. All right, so let's see. We're going to make another bucket. We're going to make another bucket. We're going to make it, is it private? We're going to make it public. All right. We're going to call it replicate. Okay. Oh. Okay. Our bucket names interesting. Jeez. We'll do this. We'll just namespace it. There you go. Dude. Made is very important. Please read it. Yeah, the copyright free and it's cool. I read that. Play Static by Steve Lee. I already read that. I don't have a today command set up. I'm sorry. Okay, here we'll set it up right now. Let me turn the screen back on. Let me do one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Hold on. All right, let me do this. Let me get these keys in here first. All right. What? I'm not even sure how to get all these. All right. Application keys. Oh, I need a new key. Oh my goodness. Wow. We'll do read and write. We'll just use the same key. There's a lot. There's like 4 different keys. Do whatever this person is saying. I'm definitely 100% gay. Okay, 100% gay. Let me see. All right. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. Here we go. Kids these days, you know? Kids these days. Let me see. All right. I think I'm good. I think I'm good with the keys. I don't think I need to look at keys anymore. Okay, what was I going to do? I honestly forgot what I was going to do. Yeah, I honestly forgot what I was going to do. What have we? Oh, you already read that. Okay, I was kind of reading this, right? Bluvian, what's up? Make a new key and share it. Yeah. All right. Okay, so let's delete this. And then we can delete this too. I don't like, why do I have statically typed? Why do I have a statically? I have macros. Oh my gosh. Nah, we'll just stick it all in the context, right? In the state. I guess, right? It's fine, right? I guess it gets cloned around, but I don't really care. Actually, you know what? We'll take this and we'll put this over here. Yeah, I don't. Actually, you know what? Maybe we will. Maybe we will keep this. Tell you the truth. Maybe we will keep this. Okay. What is this terminal? Clone everything and you'll still be faster than Python. That's my strategy. Shreyas, that's my strategy. How'd you know? How's everyone feeling about the CrowdStrike incident? I don't. I wasn't affected by it at all, so I don't have any feelings. I tried to make a tweet, but I deleted it because it was lame. But I don't really know anything about CrowdStrike. It's like an enterprise. It's like a Norton antivirus for enterprise stuff. Is that what it is? Or JS sometimes. I use Arch, by the way. It didn't affect me. Well, if I was flying today, I would have been pretty upset with the blue screens. But it seemed like a pretty easy fix, to tell you the truth. It just doesn't. It doesn't seem like anyone in IT was like around. Env. We gotta. We have to. We're just gonna move this. Nah, we'll keep it here actually. Okay. Uh, it's high-end security consulting and products. Manually reboot every server individually. Yeah. Yeah, that stinks. But it's not like it's some technical thing. You know what I mean? Let me this is something. What did I call this? Get AI headshot or something? Is that what I called it? Okay. Use get AI headshot. Env. All right, cool. What else do we have here? Oh, rec. I should just copy this project because it's almost the same. I wonder why I did this. I wrapped request in my own thing to make it easier. But why did I do this? Like, it's nice to call a function, I guess. But I don't know. I did it, so I'll just do it again, I guess. Whatever. All right. Let's just put it in here, though. I don't even know why I put it in its own thing. All right, we'll switch it. Hold on. We got to switch this music. Zero cost abstraction. Everyone, oh man, it's so easy to hate on Rust. So easy. All right, listen to one more, and then we'll switch. Let's see. A header map is gonna be. We'll just do this. Okay, cool. Header value. Result is now in here twice. Cool. This is not working out the way I wanted it to. Okay, well, we can just call get, right? What else is request error? Oh, did I not impl error for this? What is result? Oh, that's just a regular result. Don't understand that. Size for stir? Probably because it seems like, oh, we're getting there now. So I just don't have the error implemented for, so result, I need a different result. What did I do? I probably have my own result type in here. Impl request error for error. What else did I do? Oh, I see. I put rec in its own file so I could use the top level result in these ones. That's annoying. That's all right. Let's see. We could just do this. Okay, so this result is what? Oh, that's B2. What is this result? Oh, I do have my own result in main. Okay, let's find some different music here. I don't know what kind of music that we were gonna listen to. Whoever said something, but I'm not gonna listen to that. Let's see. What else do I have here? We'll listen to some hyperpop. I don't know if anyone likes hyperpop besides me though. Let's see. Where here we go. It's not really hyperpop, but what are you gonna do? I love the type system. That's true. That is true, I guess. You don't want to manually reboot a bunch of servers. Okay. All right, let's just do this. All right. And we'll just paste it because I don't really feel like messing with this right now. I just want to get it working. And I already did the work. So, yeah. I already did the work. Why should I do this? Maybe I do actually like this. Maybe I do like this macro. I think I actually like this. I think we're gonna keep it. All right, so this works. Where did I put post? Oh, I put it in here. Oh, wrong one. We'll get this keyboard eventually. We'll put this back. And we'll do a mod here. Actually, we'll do a mod here in main. And then hopefully this works. We might have to mod it here. Hello. What's up? What is hello? What does that mean? Does that have some kind of meaning? Okay, see ya. Let's see. Request error not implemented. Oh man, that's super annoying. Let's just find my result that I had, and we'll see what I did. I probably did something insane. Let's look at my result here. I mean, I guess it makes sense to always own the result. Oh, right here. No. Where is my result? I wonder if we can just search. Top. Yes. Let's just search for result. Oh my gosh. They don't want to do it for private repos. It's the Odin Hello World. Oh, okay. Hello and elope. Yeah. I wasn't sure what that was. Yeah, everyone's on Odin. Is Odin pretty memory safe? Should I? What's my time to segfault? Is it pretty high or is it pretty low? I'm saying mine, like as a skill issue, Rust developer. Let's see. Run view, run description. I don't think I have. We'll just unwrap. I don't even care at this point. We'll do an expect. We'll at least do an expect, right? B2 auth failed, right? There we go. And then what else? We'll do it here too. Expect, what is this? Get upload URL? Okay, get upload URL failed. One more. 3 points of failure. That's what we're looking at here. Let's see. What is? Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this is a bad. Oh, upload file. Okay. Where was I? Upload file failed. All right. Now we have everything. Oh. What did I change? Oh. Env. And then we'll do this. And then we'll literally just name them all what they should be. I actually wrapped this in API token. Why did I do that? It's an option string. Why can't it just be a string? I wonder why I did that. Oh, probably because it, yeah. Oh, because I couldn't implement request parts. That's what it, there's your problem. For a local type, env. Okay, we've got to move env, I think. We'll move env. Okay. All right. Should we go over the little load env macro thing? 3-stream streak. Dude, that's a big deal. Allocators, Odin's allocators are really cool, and it has defer, so it's pretty difficult to shoot yourself. I think you underestimate. I think you underestimate me. I am a huge fan of automatic cleanup. Like, I know that it's not as efficient, and you can't batch defers like in Rust. You can't do it. But honestly, I'm a huge fan of that. That's like half of the reason that I love Rust so much. No defer. Yeah, I'm just not a defer person. Let's get something a little faster in here. We are listening to Connor Price. I guess we can go back to like no lyrics, right? But maybe we'll listen to this. Okay. It has a lot of auto free. Oh, okay, cool. That's sweet. Does Odin have smart pointers, or does Zig have smart pointers? I don't even know. All right, so this is cool. Yeah, we don't care about that. What else do we have here? API token. Okay, so we don't need that anymore, right? And so instead what we're going to do is we're going to do, so I only had one API token before, but now I have a bunch. So we'll just do env here. This takes env, right? Axum is just so nice. Axum is so nice. It's crazy. Env dot replicate API token. Oh, dude, that's sick. Let's see. Let's do replicate API token. We'll just delete this thing. All right, cool. And then I think instead of doing this, we're gonna use this macro. classic macro use here. Oh, we had to put it up top. All right, where was I? There we go. Okay, so instead of this, we're going to change this, right? We're not going to do this anymore because we have macros. And instead of doing this, I could just do this, right? There we go. Done. And then we could do that a bunch of times, right? So we could do B2. Oh my gosh, this is going to be painful with this keyboard. Oh, 2. Oh, key ID. Oh my gosh. ID. There we go. All right. Oh, I was gonna do the today thing, right? That's what I was gonna do. I don't even know how to change that. I really need to be a better streamer, you know? Just something Something I got to work on. It's a personal issue. It's a skill issue, really. Let's see. Application key. Oh. Bucket. Bucket ID. Ugh. All right. This one doesn't have key. B2 key ID. Oh, this one does have key. All right. Key ID, name. Okay, cool. All right, so we've got to... Oh, I forgot to do the thing. Replicate. We'll change that with B2. And then we'll do these two. We'll go to API. And we'll change that to key. And then here we'll get down to the nitty-gritty. This is application. Okay. Bucket ID. There, finally. My goodness. Whew. All right. What else is left? Don't need to do that. Oh, this does take env, though. There. All right, what else? That's it. Just some warnings. We don't care about warnings. None of the annoyance of the borrow checker. Borrow checker, honestly, it's not that annoying. To tell you the truth. What is this returning chatter? Why is this a thing? Just write your own language at this point? No, just because of macros? Well, that's what we're trying to do. We are trying to write our own language, right? We're actually all trying to do this. That's what's funny. I heard async Rust is a nightmare. Is that true? No. It's funny because we're all trying to write our own languages. I just don't think we realize that we're trying to do it. Oh, maybe I should wait for the ad break to be over. Created a meme inspired from this stream. Clone. Dude, come on now. Look, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Let's see. I talk too much? Yeah, like, so it's funny. Like, macros enable you to do the thing you actually want to do. Like, you don't want to sit down and have Copilot generate a bunch of boilerplate for you that you're never going to touch again. That's my main problem with Go. My main problem with Go is that you have a bunch of code that gets generated that you're never going to touch, right? And then you even see stuff at the top of files, don't touch this code, it's auto-generated. Just have it built at compile time with a macro. I don't see the, like, you know, I don't really see the point of that. But where macros enable you to do the thing you actually want to do. Just use interfaces, bro. Yeah, like either dynamic types or auto-generated code. But I think a lot of typed people, Go people, sort of rely on this, like, oh, let's generate all these functions. But it's like, dude, you're never gonna touch them. So yeah, I mean, we're all trying to make our own programming language to solve the problem that we're trying to solve. That's why we build abstractions, right? And macros are just compile time abstractions that we're building up. In fact, macros are even better because we can mold the keys that we type, like the tokens we type, into what we actually want. So like here's an example, right? I always go back to this. Like if you ever watch the stream, I always go back to it. But like here's a different one that I don't ever really talk about, right? Is like let's say I want to embed a directory at compile time in my binary, right? So like in web development, right, you have like a Tailwind CSS, probably some JavaScript, right? And you have to send that to the server somehow. So a lot of the times people that are in dynamic languages, they'll zip up the file, right? The olden days, you would zip up the file, send it to the server. Now we have Docker, we package it up, we put everything on so you push to GitHub, you get your Docker from CI, right? FTP, that's zip, that's right. So now you push to GitHub, you get your Docker image from CI, right? And so you do all of these really complicated things, right? But in Rust, I can just make which I did. I could just embed the static files in the binary, compile locally, cross-compile to Linux locally, right? And then just push it. to the server, right? SSH, simple. So, and of course, like there is some complexity on my server because I have Tailscale. So like I'm the only one. It's a virtual private network, right? Or virtual private thing. I can only communicate to my server over SSH. No one else can, right? So it, it's there's things you can do. So like here, this is just one part of it, but it keeps going, right? So like here, this macro generates this function too. So like the way it works is that I just call. So in my I have a I have a file called static, or I have a folder called static. Oh, right now it just has Tailwind in it, right? But so when I call embed static files, it creates the function that Axum needs to serve those files as well, right? And then I also have another macro. So normally you'd be like fiddling with like your static files all the time, or you'd use like Webpack or something, right? I don't want to do that, right? I could just use Rust macros, and I can go over to my what do I have it as, view? No, I have it as impl. I have it as CX. I think, is that what I did? What did I do? CX. Yeah, I did this. So here I can just call render static files in the head of the page, and then have all those embedded static files rendered, right? So that's two macros like working together. Um, so here you can see there's an assets struct that gets generated at compile time, and it has render. Can I not navigate this? I guess I can't because it's in a macro, but I would show you, but it doesn't matter. You can go swalker/ride if you care. I managed Tailscale at a company. Yeah. Was it good? Was it a good experience? I think Go tries to make you code like Rob Pike. You, you have no say, noob. No, no. Go is just it. Just there's a lot of repetitive stuff that happens. That's the only problem. But like the whole point of programming is to get rid of repetitive stuff, right? Like I know like people are like, oh, dry is not good, blah blah blah. But dry is actually good. Like I mean, you don't have to go crazy with it. Like I'm repeating myself a few times here, right? Which is fine. But I mean, when it comes to stuff like rendering static files or whatever, or like database stuff like this is just a quick macro to map SQL and does some little compile time checking to a function name and a struct, like, and all the types are generated. So like here you see this upload type here, right? Or you see this insert. It takes a file name string, right? And then I don't have to worry. Like now I'm at a level above. I'm like at a level above, right? I don't have to worry about the nitty gritty of like mapping SQL to structs and all this stuff. Like we're at the application level now, right? And the application level's only enabled because we abstracted away the bottom layers, right? So yeah, it's good. Look, macros are good. You can't tell me otherwise, okay? You can't tell me otherwise. All right, so what are we going to do here? Now we're back. We got B2. We got the mbears loading. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the router. All right, we're going to go back to the router here. We're going to close all this other stuff because we don't need it. And then now we've got, so when we upload, right, which Rust is now fast enough that we can do direct, we don't have to do direct uploads to S3 anymore, right? That's good. Go interfaces reduce a lot of, yeah, I know, dynamic types. I know they do, and it's simple. Go is easy, not simple, right? There's a distinction that I would make personally. I don't think Go is simple. I think Go is easy. The security mindset is very important when managing enterprise infra. Yeah. I really like the control and visibility of the network to limit the attack surface. Yes. Tailscale is amazing. I love it. And it's written in Go. Look, hey, if something's written in Go and it's good, I don't care, you know? All right, let me switch the music because it's we need it to be faster. We need to go faster. We're on this like weird. Oh, we can listen to this maybe. No, this is also very. Okay, let's do this one maybe. Okay. I never pay attention to what songs I'm listening to, and I listened to a great song yesterday. All right. So anyway, we're in this upload thing. After we write the file, so this is how you do multi-part upload in Axum and Rust. So you sort of, I only have one field that I care about, so I just like skip the rest and I just do if let sum. But you should probably do like a while here and always get next field till they're done. But I only have one field, so it's fine. And then, so this is how you write asynchronously with Tokyo, right? Tokyo FS write, just like it mirrors the standard library. So then we insert, so after we write to the file system, we insert into the database, right? And this is what I was telling you before. So DB is a struct that gets created by this macro. And then all of these functions sort of fall in there, right? And I could go to definition and see the SQL, right? Anyway, so let's see. This is good. Insert to the database. We run the prediction. The problem that I was running into yesterday was that I was missing this colon. I was missing this. But here this is what we're going to do now. So in between here, now that we have B2, we have to actually upload. We have to upload to B2. All right, so we got to actually upload. We need the env here. We need the file name that we want to upload. So it'd be path, right? And then we also need the file itself, right? Is that what we're doing? What are we doing here? File name, get upload URL. Oh, I see. We're actually, okay, so we need the file, which we already have bytes here, right? So I think we can move bytes again because we moved bytes here, but I think it's fine because it's not mutable. So here, this is how Rust works, I guess, right? So here we have bytes, right? And then we could just do this await, and hopefully that works. We'll just do an expect. Upload failed, right? There you go. Okay. So what is bytes? Let me get this right first. Found struct body bytes. Oh, we need to change this to vec. Can we do that? All right. So anyway, Rust is, the borrow checker is not a big deal, right? Do I have my Vim config? You think this is Vim? You've been watching 3 streams in a row. You don't know this is Helix? Come on now. Come on. No, here we can look at the config. I'm ashamed of you. You know? No, I'm just kidding. You're fine. This is my Helix config. It is 28 lines. It is 28 lines of TOML. So yeah, I love Helix. It's great. It's like Vim but in reverse. So it combines the best multi-cursor stuff from VS Code, and it combines terminal editing, like the speed of terminal editing from Vim, right? So like in Helix, which is based on an editor called Kakavoon, right? Is it easy to switch from Vim? Yeah, I used Vim for 12 years. And I thought it was okay. It took me like a week or so. But now I'm okay with it now. So yeah, so here, this is what you do, right? So like, let's say this is, another time you didn't notify me, Nightshade. Look, I can't help it that you're out here watching Prime, okay? Like you're watching random news, okay? I can't help you. You gotta find me. You gotta seek me out. All right, so in Helix, like in VS Code, you would do like Control D, right? So here you could just do S. So you select. So let's say you want to select these lines here. So I would do like MAP, right? So M, it pops up here. Do you see this? Do you see this right here? This is, so it says go to matching bracket, right? Surround. So A is select around object, right? So each thing, right? So then I did MA. So I did MA, right? And then it pops up again. And it says word, paragraph, type, function, argument, blah, blah, blah. So in this case, a paragraph is whatever's between 2 empty lines. You can't ban me. You cannot ban me. So we just do MAP, right? And then the whole in between those two blank lines was selected. And now, let's say we want to do some multi-cursor, right? So then we do S, right? And so you see this over here? Wait, where am I? Where am I? I moved myself because there's too much good stuff happening on the left. So do you see this? Where am I? Right here? Do you see this? I only have a little green screen. So right here, there's select. And then what happens, right, is if I come back over here, oh, I didn't do the thing. So I come back over here, I do equals, right? So then we hit this keyboard. Did I do it? And then so all the equals are selected. And I can delete them, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Then I hit enter, I can delete, I could do whatever, right, with multi-cursor. So it's pretty sweet. And everyone's like, oh, no one uses Helix, like blah blah blah. Why would you use? Oh, it's not the Vim. Oh, Vim's like portable. Oh, it's like gonna be on the server, like But no, it's fine. Like you can just install. You should control the server that you're on, and you should install Helix. That's how you get around that. I didn't say which channel. I don't even know. Copium. That's my copium. It's my personal copium. Yeah, there's a lot of Grug Dev. Come on, you got me. You got me. There's a lot of like Vim apologists, especially since Prime became like semi-famous. I just want to set the record straight. Okay, I just want to set the record straight up. Okay, so we're gonna upload to B2, right? Vimpologist. Yeah, and honestly, I think there's nothing wrong with VS Code. To tell you the truth, like, well, if I went back into GUI editor land, I would not use. I hate IDEs personally, and if I was gonna choose a GUI editor, I would probably choose Zed, right? I would probably use Zed until well, I mean, I use IntelliJ at work, which I don't like it at all. It's so slow. Um, but yeah, I would probably use Zed today. VS Code was good for like the 2010s. It was good. Like, but now we're in the 2020s and Zed exists. So I would use Zed. And I mean, Zed is going to get plugins. I don't know if it has plugins yet, but it's on the way. So yeah, you'll get good stuff. And everyone has their favorite VS Code plugins that they can't live without, but you know. Oh, Zed does have plugins? Well, there you go. There you go. But yeah, Zed would be my GUI editor of choice for sure. There's no doubt. It's so fast. For a GUI, it's so fast. All right, let me see. What was I doing? All right, so we're gonna replace this with the upload. So this after I upload to B2, which I don't know if did I talk about B2? So Backblaze is a thing, and they have cloud storage. And I know that Cloudflare also has R2, but this is S3 compatible. I actually really trust Backblaze more than I trust AWS. Like Amazon doesn't care about you, but these people actually do care about you. So yeah, Backblaze they have this really cool thing where they look at drive stats every year, and I love this. Every quarter they look at it, and they sort of show you the hard drive failure rates. So it's really cool. So they're not just they're not a Vercel, and they're not reselling S3. They actually have their own data centers, right? Which is really cool. So if you're off of AWS and Google Cloud and Azure, and you use some of these smaller ones, whenever US East 1 goes down, you're not affected. It's pretty nice, actually. Oh my goodness, my dog is barking. Uh-oh. Back to lurking, gotta work. All right. I usually spend some time on an older machine. VS Code used to take 3 business days. Yeah. Oh, you want to launch VS Code? Yeah, we'll get to you in 3 business days. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna stop ranting. But anyway, that's B2. So after I upload, right? Oh, jeez, my dog. Hold on a second. Hold on 1 second. Okay. All right, relax. Oh my gosh. Who let the dogs out? It's true. Who did let the dogs out? All right, maybe we should listen to that. Okay. Okay, so we got B2. It returns the download URL. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. So we're going to replace this, right, with the upload, right? And then this is already a string, so we don't have to do into. You know what? We should add a lifetime so I don't have to do into. Everyone's always like, oh, into. But if I add a lifetime to this, I don't know if deserialization takes a hit. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like just own strings is way simpler, but we can try it just so I don't have to put into. Just in case Tej is streaming today and he comes in and he goes, oh, I see all those intos. I don't want to run into everywhere. Hang on, let me see. I wonder if this will work. Oh my gosh, if I could just do this one thing. Okay, there we go. All right, so let me see. It would be nice to have that copy type though, right? So here, we'll just do this. There we go. And then we don't have to do this anymore or this. Oh no. Negative prompt. Stir. Oh no, but the lifetimes are viral. Oh no. This needs a lifetime now. Lifetime is defined. Oh my gosh. What is the problem here? Why is this a problem? Can I just do this? Leaky lifetimes? Consider using the A lifetime. I did use the A lifetime. And then it says, oh, because it's the macro. Oh, because I'm here now. Oh my gosh, look at this. The lifetimes are adding up. Oh man, Russ, Achilles heel. Oh no, now I've got another one. What's this one? Lifetime might not live long enough. This is why I don't use lifetimes. Just clone. Just forget it. Forget it. We're just going to use into. All right, sweet. We're back. Just a quick, just wanted to see how hard it was, just wanted to see. That's why I don't use lifetimes. All right, so let me see. We got intos everywhere. Who cares? Classic Rust moment. I know. We got to show the weaknesses, We got to show the weaknesses. Honestly, lifetimes, who even cares? Who cares, right? We don't care about that. Like, we'll just leak it. We don't even care. All right, so upload is now the wrong thing. Like, upload is not good. We actually want this to be B2 upload, right? There we go. And then we could do B2 upload. There we go. Okay. Oh no, what did I do? Oh no, now I'm moving. I'm moving things. Oh no. Can we just clone this? Clone time. All right, sweet. And then what's this one? Value moved. Clone, of course. You know it's going to be a clone. You know it's going to be. There we go. Perfect. All right, sweet. That was so funny. Oh, I see, because I renamed it upload, so I have moved upload into. Oh my gosh, dude. We can get rid of these clones. We can get rid of them. We don't have to put up with it. We can get rid of them. We can just do this. Because I really only want the ID here. So I could just do this. We could do upload, and then we'll just do ID. And we go upload ID. And then we could rename this upload. There we go. There we go. Okay. So now I have moved upload here, so I don't need to clone anymore. Go forces you to. Yeah, it's true. Rust does too. Every language does, though. There's not, besides Lisp, there's not a single language that does the thing. And I had to just get down to the primitives. So once you get down to I64, copies are free. Copies are free. It just does the copy. It does the right thing. Oh no, it was a different thing. I do have to clone. Dude, I thought I got around it. Dang it. Oh, clone. Clone. All right, good. Who even cares at this point? Who even cares? The clones are free, okay? Clones are free. Enter Odin. I should have done a defer, right? All right, let me see. So we're good, right? Wait, what's this? Oh, so we could just rename this back to B2 upload. And then we'll do, oh, this is a really cool feature that's built into Helix. If you do G, W, see how every word has like new letters in front of it? So it's like jump on Neovim. So if I want to go to like upload, right? Like if I want to go to like upload right here, right? Which hand is this? If I want to go to upload, I have to type AZ, right? And then so if I type AZ, the cursor goes straight, or now it's AX, but the cursor goes straight there, and then I'm good to go, right? It's really cool. That's like my favorite built-in feature of Helix that I don't have to have an nvim jump plugin for. Odin author is hostile to Rust. Oh no, it's okay, and I don't want to use Rust, but listening, he's just plain hostile to the approaches he uses. Yeah, yeah, a lot of so I think a lot of good programmers have sort of solidified their own memory safety best practices around raw pointers over the years, and it's sort of like hard-won knowledge. And for a language to come in and undo what you've learned how to do through Valgrind, all these tools and techniques, that's really what it is, I think, to tell you the truth. Cordy, welcome. So
Hello,
it's
Peter.
definitely like
What's
Rust.
happening?
It's so opinionated that I could see why, people don't like it. Yeah, no, I think they see the rationale. They just don't like they don't like the strictness of how it approaches the problem, right? Like they just want to sling pointers the way they want to sling pointers, and they don't want to do it Rust's way, which is fair. I mean, that's fair, you know. Russ has a lot of opinions. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? And so, but the problem though is that even with Valgrind, all these C++, even Odin and Zig have the same problem. Is like if you get someone who doesn't have the great technique, even if you get someone who does have the good experience, great techniques for mitigating memory safety, it still winds up with a CVE. Like you still somehow, even with some of the most dedicated open source developers, you still wind up with Heartbleed, and you still wind up with a bunch of regular expression implementation CVEs. Like, so these are like, I can't even put a candle to these people, right? But that's why I use Rust, right? Because I know that I suffer from pointer segfault, undefined behavior skill issues, right? The four horsemen of slop. Rex Ace, though, Rex Ace is a legit, okay, legend. All right. I'm an old school C programmer. There's things, and the idea of parallel iterators. Yeah. The okay, yeah. I'm an old school C pro. There's things about Rust that annoy me, but I like some of its pillars, so I persevered. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing is like Rust is not a perfect programming language, but it'll get you less CVEs than whatever you're doing with C or C++ or Zig or Odin, right? I mean, the more control you give the programmer, the more errors we're going to make. And I think that's what people don't like. They don't like to hear that. I saw on Twitter the romanticization of C needs to be studied. That's true. I saw on Twitter that today's issue with Windows is memory related. That's what I'm saying. There you go. I don't know if that's true, but there you go. I once listened to Jonathan Blow rant about Rust for 3 hours straight. That man is insane. Yeah, and honestly, like for games, Rust doesn't matter. Like you're not gonna do other than multiplayer games. There's almost no point. Single player games, there's no point to use Rust, right? I like Rust and I like C. Jonathan Blow likes to yap. He does. I got on a Jonathan Blow thing for a while there. I had to get off that train because I was like losing my mind. I was almost like maybe I should download Jai. Maybe Jai will solve my problems. But Jai is built for games, and I think that's fine. I think we should all have our own language. To tell you the truth, I hope that the AI future enables us to all make our own programming languages. Like everyone has their own bespoke language that they're super hyper productive in. You know, that would be sick. Then we don't have to rely on other people. Like we could just have our own. You know, it'd be really cool. And each we can make 10 or like 50 of our own languages, and whatever problem we're like, we may have our own. If we want to make a game, the AI comes up with like, it helps us come up with like a new LLVM. I know, but it still depends on LLVM though. It would be sick to do like a bespoke compiler backend as well. Like, you know, I'm talking all the way down like to the machine code. You know, it would be sweet. Like you got to Rexace, you got to admit that would actually be a cool future, right? All right, so let me see. What are we doing? Okay, so we're gonna upload to B2. We're gonna get the uploaded file HTTP the path. We're gonna pass it to replicate, and then the last thing. Well, we're just gonna see if it works. We'll see if it works first. Let's see. All right, B2 key ID not present. I gotta turn off my. Hold on. I gotta turn off my screen because I don't want to leak this. B2 key ID not present. Oh, right. Because this should be .env. I ran into this yesterday too. .env. There we go. All right. Actually, this should be ride.env. We're not even doing environment variables anymore. We're going straight from the .env. All right, let's see if it works. All right, this is a backend. You know what? Let me change this. Hold on, because it is a flashbang. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. All right, we'll just make it. We'll give it a little class. You know, we got to do that. How do we get Control R, Tailwind? There we go. Okay, so we got to give it a little class here. What are we gonna do? Dark, right? BG gray 950. Give it a little BG gray 950, and then otherwise we'll do like a BG gray 50 or something, and then dark text white. Right, there we go. All right, let's see. Did we get this? We got it. All right, we'll give it a little style. There you go. There, now it's not a flashbang, right? All right, so let me see. We're gonna do Merlindrew. Should we do Merlindrew again? Okay, let me see. What was the prompt? I don't even know what the prompt was. We'll just keep with that. We'll do this person because I didn't try this person before, right? We'll do this person. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's 3 megs. That's a big image. Let's resize this first. Let's resize this. That was a lot. Hang on. Let's resize this. Oh my gosh, it's been an hour. I know I should use something, but what are you gonna do? Not PNG, JPEG. Oh, you know what? We gotta actually change the size, right? How do I change the adjust size? There it is. Here, we'll do this 1280 by 1280. Perfect. Oh, there we go. Incredible. All right. Went from 3 megs to 300K. That's what I like to see. Okay. Upload. A lot of waiting happening. I don't know. Oh no. What am I expect? Let's see. What do we got here? Missing field stream. How is the JSON changing? Like, am I crazy? How we did this JSON thing? We did this though. All right. Apparently, there's a field stream that I didn't know about. I guess from replicate stream. What is it though? Let's go back to the replicate docs. Merlindrew. I know. He offered yesterday, so we're gonna do it. All right, let's go back to the Let's go back to the what is a foffer or something? Right, it was like is it something? Consistency? Is it this one? Oh, consistent character. That's what it was. Okay, let me see. So we'll go back to HTTP. Output is JSON. Is it in the output? Status? There's no stream here. Like, how is that every time? But if I look at the Python, yeah, there's nothing. What if I look at Node? There's definitely no stream. What is this music? AGI is coming. Call me Mr. Yogurt. What is, call me Mr. Yogurt. Why are you doing this to me? I don't. I like jazz. Smooth jazz. I like a little smooth jazz. Free compilers. Yeah. We gotta free the compilers. Oh shoot, what just happened? Did I get raided? Wait, hold on.
Hello,
the raid
Peter.
thing didn't go off. Wait, hold on. Who's raiding me? What?
Oh my God! Okay.
Oh,
what's happening?
no.
Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
This can't keep happening though. Honestly, Prime, thank you.
Hello, Peter.
Shoot.
What's
This is,
happening?
oh, I guess got derailed. We were having such a good time, but now we're gonna have a
Hello,
great
Peter.
time, okay?
What's happening?
Dang it. This can't keep happening. Shoot, let's just watch them, you know? We'll just watch
Hello,
them.
Peter.
For now, we'll just keep it going. We'll keep the party going, all right? But Prime, thanks. I was just saying yesterday, like, if I get
Hello, Peter.
raided by someone,
happening?
I should have like a really cool thing. Like Batty has like a really cool thing.
Hello, Peter.
Seth Drums has like a
What's
really
happening?
cool thing. All I can say is thank you. That's all I can do.
Hello, Peter.
Okay?
What's
Light mode though. Enable dark mode. All right, fine. Let's get
Hello,
dark reader.
Peter. What's happening?
Let's get dark reader. Drums in the deep. Yeah, it's true.
Hello, Peter.
Chrome.
What's happening?
That was easy. Yeah, it was easy. I'll do it. You know, we'll do it.
Hello, Peter.
I'll install anything.
happening?
Anything you guys tell me to install, I'll install it. All right. Did I add the
Hello,
extension?
Peter. What's happening?
Okay, is it enabled? Let's see. There we go. Look, are you
Hello,
happy?
Peter.
Okay.
What's
Are you install CrowdStrike? All right, let's go to CrowdStrike. Okay,
Hello,
CrowdStrike.
What's happening?
I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna install that. Come on. Come on now.
Hello, Peter.
Let's see. Install XZ. Still too bright? Come on.
Hello, Peter.
Come on. It's not
What's
too bright.
happening?
All right, but thank you. Prime, I would shout you out, but
Hello, Peter.
I mean,
What's
come
happening?
on. Come on. But yeah. So look, this is what we're doing today.
Hello,
Okay?
Peter.
Raiders.
What's happening?
This is thank you for all the follows, by the way. I know I'm like I'm such a
Peter.
bad. All right,
What's
so
happening?
this is what we're doing today. Okay? We're cloning
Peter.
photo AI.
What's happening?
So if you haven't seen photo AI before, this guy Peter Levels.
Hello, Peter.
Okay? Oh my gosh,
What's
the
happening?
follows. Like installed these. I don't want to tell you what editor I use,
Hello,
all right?
Peter.
Because it's gonna be nothing but a nonstop D's party, okay? So this is photo AI.
Hello,
If you
Peter.
can see it, you
What's
can't even see
happening?
it. Honestly, I'm trying to show you this. Raiders, I'm trying to show you. So
Hello,
it's
Peter.
this thing that you
What's
give it
happening?
someone's face. You upload selfies, right? Can you see that? Oh, you
Hello,
can see it right
Peter.
above. You upload
What's
selfies. Thank you for the follows. I appreciate it. And it's not Emacs. It's
Hello,
Helix.
Peter.
Okay?
What's
Helix. All right? So you create your own like AI model thing and
Hello,
it
Peter.
does stuff.
What's
So I found something similar on Replicate. So here's like an example, right? Here are the
Hello,
examples.
Peter.
So that you
What's
take
happening?
this was like a image, and then this is the
Hello,
output
Peter.
image, right?
What's happening?
So you can, so we can put someone in here,
Hello,
and
Peter.
then Helix what? Nightshade sounds unsanitary. It is unsanitary.
Peter.
Oh
What's
my
happening?
gosh. Photo AI is a Levels IO app, but we're gonna clone it.
Hello, Peter.
Okay, that's what we're gonna
What's
do.
happening?
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do here. So that's what we're doing. All right.
Hello, Peter.
Oh jeez,
What's happening?
dude, Helix is great. Okay. Any of them look beautiful.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Anyway, I was in the middle of having a SerDes Rust
Hello,
JSON
Peter.
deserialization
What's
issue. Okay. Like get clone it? No, it's not open source.
Hello,
Photoai.clone.
What's happening?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. But it takes a little more effort than that,
Peter.
unfortunately, right?
What's happening?
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Hello, Peter.
All right.
What's
Look,
happening?
I mean, look. I love Office Space. I love Idiocracy. Okay, all that
Hello,
stuff is so
Peter.
good.
What's happening?
You have something for me to install? What should I install? Nightshade, what should I
Hello,
install?
Peter. What's happening?
All right, let me get back to it. Let me get back to this. But tell me, me
Hello,
as a
Peter.
mod,
What's happening?
you can't even see the messages, so we don't need mods, okay? This is
Hello,
Cloud Strike.
Peter. What's happening?
My IT is like Office Space, except Office Space is funny. Yes. Also, there was
Hello,
another
Peter.
IT show. I think it's
What's
called
happening?
like IT Crowd or something. It was like a British show that I watched.
Hello, Peter.
I'm like one of the characters in there, you know? jQuery plus Lambo link, goaded levels
Hello,
IO,
Peter.
50k MRR.
What's
It's true. Well, we're gonna do it in Rust because we don't want Lambos, okay? We don't even want to finish this project.
Hello, Peter.
We just want to sit here and mess with lifetimes forever. That's what we're gonna do. IT Crowd was hilarious. IT Crowd, that's what it is. Yeah,
Happening?
yeah. No, such a good show. It's a great show.
Hello, Peter.
All right, so let me just
happening?
get back to my debugging. All right, can we just debug this, please? Can we calm down?
Hello,
I
Peter.
appreciate it. Thank you for the follows. I appreciate it. Okay, I don't want to minimize the follows. All right, I don't want to minimize.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Okay, all right. So let's get back to this. It said I needed a stream
Hello, Peter.
field,
What's
but
happening?
I don't actually know where replicate puts this
Hello,
thing because I
Peter.
was looking at the
What's
docs
happening?
and I still don't know
Hello, Peter.
where to put the stream
What's
thing. I don't understand it. Maybe we'll look at the reference docs. Create a
Hello,
prediction,
Peter. What's happening?
input text, status starting.
Hello, Peter.
Oh, there is a
What's
stream. Look at
happening?
this. Version, input, stream. Oh, this field is
Hello,
deprecated.
Peter. What's
What?
happening?
Oh my gosh. Oh, you know what?
Hello,
Let's
Peter.
take a look.
What's happening?
Let's make sure it uploaded to B2. That's what we should do.
Hello,
Deprecated?
Peter. What's happening?
Oh, I reached my... What is that? There was like a little thing. What was that? Wait,
Hello,
hold
Peter.
on.
What's happening?
Lead. LFG, it's true. Well, let's go. We got the lead. I don't know what that
Hello,
means.
Peter.
What did I even
What's
do?
happening?
I forget what I do sometimes. Let me see. Oh
Hello,
my
Peter.
gosh. Deprecated?
What's
Refactor
happening?
Friday? My life is deprecated? No, your life isn't deprecated. Your
Hello,
life
Peter.
is new
What's happening?
and shiny. Oh, follower. That's what it was. Okay, all right. I forgot I set that up.
Hello, Peter.
All right.
What's
Deprecated is in I still need it? Yeah, apparently. Right? Apparently, because if I look at this error, missing
Hello,
field
Peter.
stream, right?
What's happening?
But so we'll put stream in here. Pub, stream.
Hello,
I don't know what it
Peter.
is, though.
What's happening?
Let's look at the API reference again. Also, I'm sorry. I'm
Hello,
not going to use
Peter.
Copilot and VS
What's
Code.
happening?
Okay? Sorry. It's all Helix. All right? Let me see.
Hello,
What is this?
Peter.
The stream
What's
is the field
happening?
deprecated. The field is no longer returned. No longer needed as a return. It will always have a
Hello,
stream
Peter.
entry in its URL
What's
property.
happening?
Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is. We
Hello,
need
Peter.
this in the
What's
prediction, in the URL property. Oh, I have it here. Stream.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Uh-oh. The plot thickens. So the...
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
so we have input, model, version, get...
Hello, Peter.
I don't even...
happening?
Well, thank you. Thank you. I honestly,
Hello,
it
Peter.
keeps going, and I'm
happening?
kind of overwhelmed, and I don't know what to do, so I'm just trying to debug my thing.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Okay, let me see. Output... I'm overstimulated,
Peter.
you know? I need a
What's
fidget spinner. That's what I need. All right, let me see. Subject. Who's
Hello,
Peter?
What's
That guy right
happening?
there in the cubicle is Peter. Oh, this is the URL.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Oh, shoot. There's your problem.
Hello, Peter.
Uh-oh.
What's happening?
Uh-oh, that's not good. And that wasn't Safari. No,
Hello,
don't worry.
Peter.
It wasn't
What's
Safari.
happening?
I swear to you, this is not a Mac. Okay? This is not an M1 Mac
Hello,
Mini, I
Peter.
swear to you.
What's happening?
Debug your thing. Turn off follower alert. No, we'll keep it on. We'll keep it on. Look, this is what
Hello, Peter.
you are in
What's
control.
happening?
All right. Oh shoot. Do I even
Hello,
have?
Peter.
Wait,
What's
hold
happening?
on. Hold on. What? No. Hold on. There's too
Hello,
many
Peter.
notifications. It
What's
didn't.
happening?
The sub thing didn't turn on the thing. There's even a
Hello,
better
Peter.
one for subs though.
What's happening?
Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. How can I see this? Oh, here we
Hello,
go.
Peter.
Thank you.
What's
Oh my gosh. Anonymous. Anon. Thank you. I really
Hello,
appreciate
Peter.
it.
What's
Oh
happening?
my goodness. You didn't have to do that. You did not have to do that. Yeah,
Hello,
this is
Peter.
broken.
What's
Like
happening?
my phone. Yeah, we're at least 4 minutes because I have a
Hello,
really
Peter.
cool.
What's
I have a
happening?
really cool. I have really cool notifications. Hold on. How do I do this?
Hello,
Activity
Peter.
feed?
What's happening?
Is it activity? How do I? Oh, I filter.
Hello, Peter.
Gosh.
What's happening?
Okay, hold on. I can get rid of this one, I think, right? Do I get rid of that?
Hello, Peter.
It didn't
What's
work.
happening?
Oh my gosh, how do I see this?
Hello,
We'll just
Peter.
scroll. We'll just
What's
scroll.
happening?
But Chris Billows, thank you. I appreciate it. I don't even know this is happening.
Hello,
Okay,
Peter.
I'm sorry.
What's
All right.
happening?
Okay, I think that's the only one though. I think that's the only one. All right.
Hello, Peter. What's
Oh my
happening?
gosh, it's lithium probably. It's anonymous. We don't know who it is.
Hello, Peter.
You can't spec. We
What's
can't
happening?
speculate. All right, we can't speculate. But I appreciate it. Thank you.
Hello,
All right.
Peter. What's
So
happening?
missing field stream. I'm looking through this JSON. I don't see
Hello,
this. But
Peter.
here we could
What's
do this. We could do this
Hello, Peter.
because I'm fairly
What's happening?
sure that error is not in here. But you know, we can't tell
Hello, Peter.
until we
What's happening?
see it in the editor. At least I'm using Alacrity. Come on.
Hello, Peter.
His ZD. What's up?
happening?
Today we're working on cloning photo AI. We're
Hello,
cloning
Peter.
photo AI today.
What's happening?
So here's what it is. And so you
Hello,
upload a
Peter.
selfie,
What's happening?
or any this is okay. So I'm gonna tell you right now. This is ethically a gray
Hello,
area.
Peter.
It's
happening?
definitely not all AI stuff is ethically murky, because you don't know
Hello,
what it was
Peter.
trained on.
What's happening?
But Peter Levels is everyone who joined his
Hello,
name is
Peter.
Peter. What a crazy coincidence! It's true. It's true. Peter, what's happening?
Hello,
So
Peter.
this
What's
you can generate these faces are of real people,
Hello,
but you sort
Peter.
of generate
What's
pictures
happening?
from a face, right? And a prompt.
Hello, Peter.
So I found
What's
something on
happening?
Replicate, and it does a similar thing where it has like character consistency
Peter.
between
What's happening?
photos. Look, I'm not gonna say it's like good. Like I'm not gonna say it's good. AI is
Hello,
not
Peter.
great. It's green if it makes me
What's
money. Rexace. That is correct. That is correct. So anyway, Peter Levels is making like 50K from this, so we gotta. Oh, that's it. It's so good. I love that one. You know, I love it. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's gonna be 20 of them. I see. I see. Okay. For sure, train on licensed material. Yeah, and it's funny because I uploaded a picture of me yesterday, replicating index, jQuery, and Rust. Hey, you know what's funny? You actually want to see something? Igor, you want to see something? I don't know if you're ready for this. I don't know if you're ready. If you've never seen the stream before, I made a my own web framework called Ride. It's a backend web framework only, right? So it's HTMX, right? Always be crowd striking. So if you look here, right? So there's a lot of macros, right? So speaking of index.php, this is built so you could see this is a Rust file, but there's HTML in here in a proc macro, right? HTMX mentioned, yeah. I am a CEO of HTMX. I am. Carson Gross, no, it's me. All right. So yeah, this DB macro, right? So this is Rust, but what happens is here, I write some SQL, right? And then I create a function in the macro from the SQL, right? And so it automatically, so like here, let's can we move this a little bit? There we go. Can we see this? All right, hold on. This is like really stimulating. All right, here we go. We got stimulation going on. All right, so look at this, right? This has one thing that it takes, but one parameter in SQL. And so it create this macro that I made creates a function, right? Can I get more stimuli? This macro creates a function, right? And the function automatically knows to take the file name as an argument, right? Because that's the parameter. And so it also maps the output as well. So here you can see that I'm creating this table. You can't actually see. Hold on. Can we ZT? Can we do this? There we go. Can we see now? All right. So here you can see right here, I'm creating a table, right? I can't see that. I know. This macro is fantastic. It's incredible. So it's like that conspiracy meme. Yes. So this creates a table in SQL when I call the function. And it also ties this automatically generated upload struct to the SQL, to the table that I made, right? So all of the fields in this table automatically get created in the struct, right? We are always closing. All right, I gotta fix this. I don't know I don't know how Prime does it. I don't know how he does it. All right, so and then I could use that same struct, right? Oh my gosh, I can use that same struct. Here, I'm just gonna point. I'm just gonna point right here. So I use the same struct here, there, and there, right here. And so each of these calls the thing, but it's using the same struct from the create table, right? Prime made the day. Prime did make my day. He did, for sure. Welcome to Costco. Welcome to Costco. I love you. I was just watching Idiocracy last night, actually, because I re-signed up for Hulu, and I saw they had it. So we'll put stream here just because, but I think the real problem is that I didn't do the right thing. Anyway, so that's the DB macro, right? So I did actually recreate index.php in Rust, all right? Also, you can see some other hints here too. So like so usually in Axum, right? You can lose your partner status so people can't subscribe. Maybe I should do that. That's actually a good idea. Does Helix got plugins now? Unfortunately, no.
Hello,
Unfortunately,
Peter.
Helix does not have plugins. I created Fossabot.
Hello, Peter.
100%.
What's happening?
Yep, that's me. Okay, so you can see some weird stuff. So like the DB macro functions are here, right? And normally in Axum...
Did we just become best friends?
Oh, finally, we got to the last one. We made it. Okay, thank goodness. Oh, jeez. I thought we read the last
Hello,
one.
Peter. What's happening?
All right, so, but I appreciate it. Thank you again for everything. Thank
Hello,
you.
Peter.
Okay, like
What's
honestly,
happening?
it makes my day, to tell you the truth. Like it really does.
Hello, Peter.
I cannot block out background as whatsoever. Yeah,
Hello, Peter.
it's tough,
What's
you know?
happening?
All right, my window is in full screen. It's true.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Helix, don't say that kids are listening. Anyway,
Hello,
so
Peter.
usually in Axum you have to do this import from request parts, but I just made a derived clone, right? Or I made a
Hello,
derived
Peter.
macro. I'm sorry,
What's
I made a derived macro, and it loops through all the fields and implements it. So
Hello,
all this
Peter.
code is generated,
What's happening?
right? I don't have to do this anymore. Thank goodness, right? And the only requirement
Hello, Peter.
is that the state has to be sent in sync because it's Rust.
Hello,
you know?
Peter.
What are you gonna do?
What's happening?
That's it. Oh, I think we're. Oh. Okay, we're
Hello,
almost
Peter.
there. Honestly, I think we're almost there. I think everyone from Prime Stream almost left.
Hello, Peter.
Add a backdoor to your proc
What's
macro. Yeah, I should use the CrowdStrike API somehow.
Hello,
You know,
Peter. What's happening?
Helix. Dude, come
Hello,
on,
Peter.
come
What's
on.
happening?
I had to say it. Yeah, it's true. You got to say it. You got to do it at least once.
Hello,
you know,
Peter. What's
Rust
happening?
equals sensing and static. It's true. All right.
Hello,
Well, let's go
Peter.
back. Let's go back to it.
What's
All right, let's
happening?
get back into it. Let's see. We
Hello,
gotta
Peter.
try this again.
What's happening?
So we gotta do this, and we gotta pretty print this because I
Hello,
couldn't see,
Peter.
and I got
What's
so
happening?
distracted. Like that was the worst I think I've ever been distracted
Hello,
on the
Peter.
stream.
What's happening?
But it happens. You know, it happens.
Hello, Peter.
All right, we'll
What's
open this up. Boom. Little paste. A little
Hello,
percent.
Peter. What's happening?
A little multi-select
Hello,
because
Peter.
we're in Helix,
What's happening?
and we'll just delete, put it
Hello,
back.
Peter. What's happening?
Okay, we'll save. Pretty printed. So we've got this is the
Hello, Peter.
response, right?
What's happening?
There is definitely no stream here. Like that is not a thing that exists. So it must just be the file I sent. So let's. Oh, maybe my bucket isn't public. Real liquors. Dude, what in the world? Dude, multi-select this Neovim. Multi-select this Helix. All right. Let me see. Teach DV is rolling in his grave right now. He's not even. Wait. He's not. He's still alive. He's rolling around on
Hello,
on the
Peter.
floor.
What's
Okay,
happening?
because I have multi-select. Switch to Emacs. Oh, there's no way. After yesterday, he definitely leaks. It's true. He's. I know. I should have said that. That was weird. All right. Let me see. I'm too stimulated. I gotta calm down. We gotta bring it down. We gotta bring down the rhetoric in this country. Okay. We can't just be at this heightened state all the time. Okay. Yeah. Deep breaths. We have to unite as one country. Okay. we can't keep doing this. All right. Let me see. Okay. So this, let's see. Can I see the center of the screen? Amazing. Yeah, it's great. Honestly, to see the full thing, it's incredible. All right. So stream is not missing. This download URL is not the URL I want, I don't think, because that's what I'm sending, right? But it seemed like it didn't let me. Oh, there it is. What happened? What am I sending here? Input, number of outputs 5. Oh, I wonder if it charged me. We got to see if it charged me. Subject is correct, right? What is this trailing slash, though? Why is there a trailing slash? Oh, that's not good. Why is there a trailing slash? Is that just for the quote? I think it's just for the quote. Okay, so it seems like it's good. You can definitely access that file. Let's see what the let's see if it gives me any more information in replicates thing. All right, let's see. Okay, so 20 minutes ago. Did it actually go through? Oh, it did. Oh, wow. Okay. So this actually worked. I don't know why it said there's no stream key. Why is there a stream field? Missing field stream. In 89. Why did that happen? $1 million AWS bill speed run. It's true. It's true though. Yeah, so this worked. Look, you can even see the file from B2. Okay, so the beanie, I wonder if she's always in a beanie. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's so funny. So if you're wearing any head, ooh, that's a creepy one. That's not good. I don't like that one. Okay. Okay, so if you're always in some kind of head thing, it just stays, right? So here's the input picture, and it was a kind of a weird one because her face like isn't dead on, right? But yeah, the prompt definitely put her in a gray sweater because she's in a burgundy thing, and now she's in a gray sweater. So it definitely is working. AI is doing a lot of assuming how her face looks from the front, but I think it's okay. Except for that one. That one's not great. This feels like a 50K MRR idea. Igor, you know it. Okay, you know it. All right. I'm shooting for 20. You know, just give me 20K. That's all I want. All right. I don't want to go crazy. You know. Because I don't have a coffee roaster. Otherwise, I'd rip off Terminal Coffee. You know. But if I had a coffee roaster, I'd do that. All right. So it's definitely not. It was definitely the response, right? So we'll put optional. That's what we're gonna do. I know what we're gonna do. We'll do it optionally, right? In the response, in the URLs. Oh, I have it here, but sometimes it doesn't exist. I don't think. So maybe we'll just make it optional, right? And then Surdy will do the right thing. Maybe, I don't know. But it did work. So the next thing we need to do is a different API call, right? We need to call replicates. Where are the docs? We need to call replicates. Oh, here. There's even a section on streaming output. Available for some models. Okay, so what do we do here? Input. There is a stream. Okay, so it's a Boolean. Okay, that's interesting. So let's do that. Also, I don't know. It seemed like it's sending multiple requests, which I don't like. Oh, that's not an input. Sorry. It's right here. There we go. Oh, we'll just say stream false. Right?
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
There we go. Helix is select and verb. That is correct. Right here. True. All right. Okay. Also, Rust, super slow at compiling, right? Did you see how slow that was? That was horrible. Look how slow that compile was. We're still waiting, actually. We're still waiting for Rust to compile. It's not running. All right, let's try. You know what? Now, I know Merlindru's not here, but we got to do Merlindru again, okay? Because Merlindru, big time supporter of the stream, you know? We got to put his thing. Yesterday, Merlindru. Yeah, let's see if he left it up. I wonder if he left it. He did, though. He did. So good. So good. Yeah, so Helix, the cool thing about Helix, right? Less Victorian, more steampunk today. Ooh, let's do steampunk. So the cool thing about Helix is that so in Vim, which I was a big Vim user for like a long time, like years. But the thing about this is that so in Vim you usually do like VI to like visual inside, but you can imagine, right, that Helix is always visual, right? So like instead what you would do in Helix is you would do M, and then it pops up like a little option thing, and then you could do like inside, so for I, and then you could like choose the word or the character that you want. So for this one we'll do inside the curlies, and so now we're inside the outer curlies, right? Because that's where my cursor was, right? And then we can delete. So it's MA curly delete, right? Why do you want to lose? Tell them it's a NeoVim. Yeah, this is I'm sorry, this is NeoVim. You know, yeah, we're doing NeoVim. It's a cool plugin that pops up here. It's really cool. Yeah, it's popping off in here today. Yeah, I got rated by Prime. Good. Advanced tree sitter tutorial. Yeah, basically, right? So, and also that's the cool thing about Helix is that tree sitter is built in, right? You don't have to do anything special to get tree sitter stuff. So NeoVim has a lot of legacy from Vim, like old Vim, like the old way to do syntax
Peter.
highlighting.
What's happening?
But Helix is like deeply integrated with tree sitter, which is really cool, right? DI curly brace. Yeah, it's one more character, right? Yeah, MI this, and then but you can see what you're about to do, so you're gonna make less mistakes. At least I'm gonna make less mistakes, right? But I know what you're saying. Vim is like code golf, or like it's like a movement golf, but who cares if it's one extra character, right? Oh, don't sleep on Helix, okay? Don't sleep on Helix. All right, let me see. Where were we? All right, so we're gonna try Merlindru. That's what we're gonna do. Where is he? There he is. Okay, so I wonder if it'll fail because I added stream to the thing. So much for Rust, you know? So much for Rust. Let me see. I should make some more Rust memes. What's the problem here? Oh no, I'm having the same error from yesterday. So I changed the image. What did I do here? Am I about to leak a bunch of stuff? Am I leaking tokens right now? Oh, freaking A. I got... Dude, every day. This is why I don't do stuff like this. This is why I don't do apps on this stream. I always do like weird infrastructure stuff, right? I always do weird web framework stuff. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I gotta turn my screen off, okay? Because I got my credit card's connected to Backblaze. I gotta turn my screen off, okay? We gotta recycle tokens again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Every time. Your secret is safe? Yeah, I'm sure it
Hello,
is.
Peter.
I'm sure it is.
What's happening?
Look at how you guys came in here, all right? With all the notifications, I'm sure. Yeah, you guys are gonna be well behaved. All right, let me see. What is this? Cue like 1,000 Pepe images in my bucket. Where's my... Hold on. Hold on a second. Let me see. Jeez. We gotta get the passwords up here. It's true. It's true.
Hello, Peter.
I should
happening?
rename my username to something else that has to do with leaking. Leaking, more like it. We're not even helixing anymore. The leakage in? Yeah. Unbelievable. All right, here we go. We gotta redo the application keys. Jeez. Man, this stinks. It's such a bummer too. It takes forever. All right. So dumb. So dumb. Like, is it... I gotta look at my log. I can't look at my logs to figure out what's wrong. Okay. My goodness. Every time. Now I gotta go over. Right? I should make something that takes care of this problem. Okay. Almost done. Jeez. All right. Almost there. The black screen of shame. It's true. That is true, though. It is. It is bad. Look, in the pursuit of speed, of development speed, I have sacrificed. Okay, I think I got it. In the pursuit of development speed, I have NeoVim has a plugin for this kind of stuff. Oh no, switch to NeoVim. Let me see. Let me look at my logging here. So we'll just not do that, right? And I think that's fine. Here, what else do I have here? Oh, I actually have headers being debugged. That's not good. Here, we'll get rid of that too. Okay. Oh, look at all this. I already commented. I forgot about that. Oh, here we go. There's another one. Okay. So I think this should do it, right? Jeez. We'll get rid of these two in this macro. I don't even know if I'm using this macro. That's fine, right? Debugging their response? I think that's fine. But let's look if replicate actually did the thing. Oh, we can actually look at the logs now because I recycled the thing. Stream true. So download URL, body, stream true. Input. Okay. Did I do stream true? I don't think I wanted to do that. I wanted to do stream false, I think. All right. Oh, I did do stream true. We'll do false. I don't want to stream. All right. Let's make sure that it actually went through and cost me money. Let's see what we're at, actually. Equal marks of skill issue, docs, and macro madness. It's not macro madness, okay? It's macro magic. All right? It's macro magic. It didn't even hit the API. Oh, what is my total cost? Oh, I spent 72 cents on what is this, like 6 requests? Is that what it is? Right? 2 from the web. But I think I did, it's 4, right? So 4 images is like $1 or 5. 5 is like $1. 5. So it's 5 times 25. 25 images is $1. That's not horrible, right? 10 cents per request. It's something like that, right? Something like that. Well, it's 5 images per response too. Cheat and use Eva mode like me. I cannot learn how to use another OS. Oh. One more leak, he'll switch to any of them? No, never. I'll keep leaking forever. I'm never going back. All right, let me see. All right. So this, I got a 422, but I don't even know why I got a 422. Let's see. So it looks like the upload succeeded. The upload succeeded. Okay, so here's the upload succeeding. And then, oh, because I tried stream true, probably. That's probably why it failed. Because it looks like the right URL got sent this time. Yesterday, that was my problem. I wasn't sending the right URL. So this, man, we're okay, I think. We're okay. Let's see. Okay. Whoops.
Hello,
I think
Peter.
we're all right now.
What's happening?
Let's try this guy with the glasses. Oh, you couldn't see it. Hold on. We're gonna try this guy with the glasses right there. Only leaks tokens to unlock. Unbelievable. All right, let's see. A lot of loading. There's a lot. I don't like this. There's a lot of loading. What's it even gonna do? I think it just redirects back, right? Oh my gosh! If I could get this to work one time, how long have I been streaming? Oh my gosh. Okay, there's no tokens. There's no leaks now. I think we're good. Thank goodness. All right, let me see. You can't see the bucket ID, but I don't think there's any tokens in here. I think we're okay. Look, after the stream, I'll just do it again anyway. Who even cares? Let's see. So body stream false is good. It doesn't like missing field completed it. How? Where are these coming from? Where are these things where I read the docs. I read the stupid docs. Oh my gosh. Create a prediction. I do not see is there a more complete response body thing? Get a prediction. Oh, right there. Unbelievable. Metrics. I'm missing a bunch of stuff. Okay, I did not realize this. Okay. All right. You want to see something cool? You guys want to see something cool? I'm not going to leak a thing, right? But check this out, right? So yesterday we figured this out. Actually, it was Rexace, right? So check this out. In Rust Analyzer, right? So you see that at the top right, it says JSON syntax, not valid. So if you just do an ID action, right? I read the docs. Yeah. Look at this. Convert. Do you see this? I want everyone to see this, okay? Convert JSON to struct, okay? It's really cool.
Hello, Peter.
So then
What's happening?
you just come back here and you hit enter, and then it converts it to structs. Look at this. Incredible. With serialize and deserialize, right? Oh my gosh. It's amazing. Honestly, it's amazing. And then we can auto format, right? So let's merge data removed with my prediction struct. Can I get this prediction? Can I get where was I? Oh, right here. Okay, so we have metrics, but we don't have data removed. This is a bummer. Honestly, I shouldn't even try to deserialize because there's so many random fields that are just going to keep failing. I do have completed at here. I have completed at. What did it give me? I should just forget deserializing to structs. It's annoying. Created at. Oh, it's optional. Oh my gosh. This is so obnoxious. Dude, I should just unbelievable. Okay. Okay. And we can make this option too, right? Okay. Anyway, that's a really cool trick though, right? The thing. This is a bummer. It seems like it's what you want, but then you don't actually want it, right? A foobar? Yeah, we got foobarred. Yeah, it's a CSA Voyager. Yeah, is that cool? What's that? You know what? In honor of Prime rating me, I did try Kinesis, but I found it to be mid. You know what I mean? I found the Kinesis to be painfully mid. Literally painfully. It gave me pain. So I switched to the Voyager. It's flat, right? Ortholinear. Nightshade, you're mid. You're mid, Nightshade. We're both mid. All right. How do you like that? So yeah, I switched to this too. It's ortholinear, right? Still. No concavity. Concavity is not good. Your hands are already concave. You don't need to. QWERTY supremacy. QWERTY supremacy. That is correct. All right, you got to come correct. So yeah, I got. Let's see. I got this.
Hello, Peter.
Right? We got some. We could put some lights on here. I think. What are we doing? Can we put lights so I could show you? Is it this? Okay, hold on. We've got some stupid RGBs that I turn off. All right, here we go. So I got it on this 2x4. Actually, I'll just lift up the 2x4. So I got it on magnets on little clips, right? And so I have this piece of wood here, and so here you can see the stuff, right? Kind of a little bit, right? So yeah, there you can see like one half of it. You see that tent? You see that tent too? Look at that tent. It's intense. So yeah, it's the one thing I didn't like about the Kinesis was that the tent was mid. Okay, the tent, I like an extreme tent. I like my hands to be like this, you know? You ever seen Grandma's Boy? You ever see Grandma's Boy? And JP is in the chair and he's doing that. That's how it is, okay? A 90-degree, that's right. See, stand up and put your hands to your sides. How are your hands, right? They're almost at a 90, just at rest, right? They're almost at a 90, so they're like this. They're not like this. I want doors like this, not like this.
Hello,
That's how I
Peter.
code. That's not how I code. Oh, okay. Well, it's something for everyone, you know. But yeah, I got the black one. It's cool. I love it. I think it's sweet. I like the 2 thumb things. That's on you. The keyboard is camping. Yeah. It does not want to rotate his radius. Yeah, we don't do rotate. We don't do we don't need ulnar deviation in here, okay? But yeah, it's really cool. So these are like the little things, but you can get clamps, and it has really powerful magnets that you can sort of like put it on the thing. So yeah, it's really cool. And I don't like the open source key mapping thing. I actually really like Oryx way better than whatever the Kinesis had. And the Kinesis, speaking of Office Space, now that I'm just trashing Prime, even though he gave it here, I know the Kinesis is good. Like, I will say, like, it's good for people, like certain people, right? How much tinting do you want? So like, Oryx is really cool. Like, I think it's better than whatever what is it called? Z something? Yeah, Oryx is incredible. I like it way better. And honestly, ZSA, also I'm a Mac user, so I like the way it looks. So the Kinesis, it looked like it was straight out of the 90s Windows world, And I really didn't like the way it looked. And I know I don't look at my keyboard ever, but there's just something about this clean, It's good for certain people. Yeah, it's good for certain people. Everyone has their thing. Yeah, it's all right. Okay, so let me see. What other field will I be missing? Okay, so let's do something real quick. Let's just get the prediction, and maybe we can actually show the images. maybe we can show the. You know what? Yeah, let's actually do that. Forget this, because I keep running into this problem. And instead of what we're gonna do is, why did I do that? We're just gonna not do that anymore, right? So where are we broken here? We're broken. Don't look at my base 64 thing. Where were we? Where were we broken? Right there. Okay, so instead of a prediction, we're just gonna return a string that represents the. Actually, we'll do a cool. We'll do what you do in Rust, which is a wrapper type, right? Can't even type with this thing now. I moved it, so now it's all over. It's all over the place. All right, there we go. So we'll change this to be just this, right? There we go. Can we do that? Is that possible? And then from here, we're not going to do, we'll do a serde JSON from stir, from value. No, we want it to be, how do you get serde to do the thing? Rust serde JSON value. Oh my gosh, I'm not using AI. Oh, I'm using DuckDuckGo. What's wrong with me? Let me see. Represent any. Oh, it's just value, right? Is that what it is? Represents value module. JSON. Okay, so sort of JSON value. I just want it to be a value. I think I could just deserialize to a value. Is that what it is? From stir into a value? Yes. Okay, that's what it is. All right. Let's see. I should use Alta Vista. Old man out here, you know? Serde JSON value. Can we do that? Is that possible? All right. So now prediction is actually going to be this. Prediction. Why is it doing this? It's strange. Let's see. Prediction dot get index into a JSON array. Definitely not what I want. Or a map. What do we do? From stir value. Oh, v. Oh, you can actually do this. You could just index like a normal language. Okay. So we'll do the unsafe thing. Actually, we'll do the safe thing. What does it say here? Get. Okay, so we'll just do the key. Because I don't actually care to deserialize the whole thing. I don't know what I was doing. I feel like I fall into this like, oh, let's type everything all the time, and I really don't care. ID. It's just ID, right? There you go. ID, right? And we could do expect because I don't care about errors, right? ID not found. There. Now we'll know,
Peter.
right?
What's happening?
And then we'll say prediction here, wrap it into prediction, right? Good. Bad, because I deleted that. There we go. Oh my gosh. ToString. You better believe it. All right. Let's see. So now we return a prediction, right? It's good. Okay. One more error here. The subscripting. 3-head. Have fun leaking. All right. We'll see ya. Let's see. What is it? What is this? I was not even reading chat. Okay, so I gotta go too in like 10 minutes. So jump if you have to. What is deserialize? Not. Oh wait, what am I doing here? Oh, I'm reserializing. Yeah, but I actually don't care to store the JSON anymore. We'll actually just store. You know what? We'll just return the JSON from this thing, from this, and then we'll do this. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we'll just do this. Okay. There we go. And then we'll do all that later, right? There we go. Okay. And then from here, we'll store that res. And then we'll do this let pred. It's not great though. It's not great. Serde, what was it again? I'm gonna practice this because I don't know what it is. Value equals Definitely don't want to do this. Surdy JSON. Fromster. Res. Expect. Whatever. Can I just do that actually? I don't think I have the from for this. Whoops. Wrong one. I don't think I have the... Yeah, I definitely don't have that. That would be nice, though. It would be nice to have that. Maybe I should do that. We don't care. We'll just have an expect that's nothing. Uh-oh. I've got... Oh, no, I've got borrow checker stuff. Clone. Okay, clone. Clone it. All right, so then we'll go ID. Actually, I only cared to store the JSON, so maybe we don't even need to do this now. Well, we won't even do this because I actually had the JSON in the database, right? Sweet. So now we're doing way less work, which is nice. I just want to see this work one time. One time. To not have a deserialization error would be nice. All right, let's see. We'll change the, I know Nightshade's gone, but we'll change. We'll change the prompt to put him in, what was it, steampunk? In a steampunk style suit. That's what we're gonna do. All right, let's see. So we'll put Merlinder in a steampunk style suit instead. Okay, here we go. Please redirect. Oh my gosh, I forgot to create the table. I never got that far before. Unbelievable. Where is it? Create predictions. Always run your migrations. Create predictions. I don't have a single prediction saved in my database. I don't even know why I was trying to do all that. Okay, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Although it's showing you the input image and not the output image. So now that I've got a little traction. You know, I got a little traction. I want to. How long have you started coding in Rust? I started yesterday. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't start yesterday. I started. How long has it been? Is anyone here that knows how long I've been streaming Rust for? I want to say 2 years. I want to say it's been 2 years. But I don't want to say that because I'm not actually sure. All right, let me see. Okay, so it's almost the 2 hour mark here. Okay, so now that I've done this, I need to make one more call, right? Go back over to replicate, and I could use, I could use a crate, and I probably should use a crate, but I don't wanna. All right, I don't wanna get prediction, and we'll rename this to create, dude. Create. Oops. Oh my gosh. This keyboard, on the other hand, is a different. Yesterday equals too many years. Yeah. No, I think it's been 2 years at this point. But I don't program Rust professionally, so 2 years like wall clock time. But on stream, I only stream for like an hour or two a day, and I don't even stream every day. So to tell you the truth, it's probably somewhere in the months like of actual dedicated practice coding Rust. So yeah, it's not years.
What's happening?
I mean it might be like 6 months maybe. I don't know. I don't know. But I've been programming for a lot longer than that though. Not Rust, but yeah, I've been programming for a long time and I'm still pretty bad at it. Let's see. So get prediction, API token, prediction input, good. And then we will also, you know what this takes? This takes the prediction ID. That's what it takes. All right, so we're gonna do this. we're going to do almost the same thing. We're going to copy this code because we're trying to make money. Okay? We're not trying to make great code. We're trying to make great money. Okay? That's how it is. All right, so we'll do a little error handling. You know, I don't want to go too crazy, you know? All right, so ID, we need a different URL probably. It probably takes something like this, right? We're going to see. It's probably that, but we'll look at the docs because I don't want to be wrong here. I was correct. Okay, there it is. All right. Let's see. So then we got, what do we have here? We're looking for, we're going to pull. Okay, we're going to pull in a loop. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for completed status succeeded. That's what we're going to look for, right? Status will be one of starting, processing, succeeded, failed, or canceled. We are going to ignore failed and canceled because there's only success. On this stream, there's only success, okay? There's no, failure is not an option, okay? Failure, not going to happen. Status succeeded, okay. Succeeded. So I guess if I was a good Rust programmer, I would like come up with enums and do all kinds of craziness, but we're not going to do that today. We're trying to make money, okay? We're trying to compete with the PHP devs of the world. You know what I'm saying? What is wrong with this? Oh, this needs to be a reference. That's fine. Create a string just to reference it. Let me see. So this looks good. It looks good. And the response, I'll just return the same response out. I don't even care. And then what we're going to do is after we go to get headshot, right? We'll do this here. We'll I want this to run in the background. But I need some kind of like, this is going to be a little more involved than I thought. I either need to do SSE or a WebSocket, and I don't want to do a WebSocket. But I also have to go, so I can't do this today. The saga continues, okay? But we're making progress. Every hour or two, we're making progress, hour by hour. All right, so let's see. Who should we raid? I got to go, so who should we raid? Also, raiding, I have mixed feelings about raiding, you know? Let's see. Alt F4. Oh, Alt F4 raided me yesterday, so we'll raid today.
Right there.
Oh no.
That is
he
the
leaving?
3D printer.
Oh, we gotta get him before he leaves. We gotta get him though. We gotta get him. All right, see ya. Hang on.
What?
We gotta get him before he goes.
That's weird.
Because he got me yesterday when I was about to leave. All right, it was fun. The stream was fun. I will be
That's
back
a bug.
next week, and I will finish this project. I promise.
So it unpacked to source. Oh, because... damn it. All right, so we need